Hunter Christian Plake, born November 14, 1995, is an American singer and songwriter. He is best known for being the lead singer for the pop duo Plake with his brother Dakota Plake. Hunter also appeared on season 12 of NBC's The Voice. After leaving the show in 5th place, he released Plake's independent debut single Eden on July 14, 2017. Early life. Hunter Plake was born in Baton Rouge, Louisiana on November 14, 1995, to Bud and Yaira Plake. He has one brother, Dakota Plake. His father was in a Christian rock band called Brother Brother. When he was 14, he started writing his own music. After getting his GED during his junior year of high school, he attended Crossroads Leadership College in 2013, earning an associate degree in music arts. Career. Plake had been writing and producing songs and was ready to release them, along with his brother, under the name Bywater. During The Voice, however, he acquired fans and the brothers decided that their band name should be Plake. The brothers started working on getting their first single ready to release after he left the show. As an independent pop duo, they released Eden as their debut single on July 14, 2017. It topped the pop charts at number 41 and the all genres charts at number 161. On August 12, 2017, Plake released their second single Hurricane Lovers. On February 23, 2018, Plake released their third single, Cold Vibes. On 4 May 2018, Plake released their fourth single titled Float. 2017 NBC The Voice. The Voice performances. Studio version of performance reached the top 10 on iTunes. Personal life. In 2014, Plake met his wife, Bethany Jackson Plake. The couple started dating that year and were married on June 10, 2016. 2 months after marriage, their car and home were destroyed in the floods of Baton Rouge, on August 13, 2016. References.